Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing and showing you guys one-on-one step-for-step how to do a bomb nude ombre lip. I am doing a nude ombre lip, so I'm going to be choosing one of these nude colors from my collection, as well as you can choose if you want to do a matte ombre lip or if you want to do a glossy ombre lip. I'm more of a glossy girl, so I'm going to go ahead and pop some lip gloss on there. Also, go ahead and hit that notification bell so you will be notified when I drop a new video and videos like these. I know it took me a while to get an ombre or to even do an ombre lip, but it's really not as hard as it seemed or appeared to be. As long as you know the steps and techniques, which I'm going to show you today, you'll be all good. So without further ado, let's just get into this video so I can show you guys how to get them lips popping. The first thing you want to start off with is a dark brown lip liner. Today I'm using my Kiss dark brown lip liner. And I like to put like a little bit up like that to give my lip a little bit more definition. To drag that brown lip liner out into the corners. I'm going to show you exactly what I'm talking about. And this is going to give you that ombre effect. So then I'm going to do the same with my top lip, but it's just going to be a little bit more. This is how the finished outliner is supposed to look. You start with outlining your lip and then you basically fill in the corner. So now I'm basically trying to decide on what nude to go with. I am doing a nude ombre lip today, so I definitely don't want to go with the darkest nude, and this is the darkest one, so we're going to put that to the side. So I'm trying to decide if I want to do pink. I probably don't want to do pink because my makeup is not going to tie in with that, so I'm going to put that to the side. And I'm really stuck between these two. I'm probably going to go with this color. Let me see. Okay, I'm going to go with this color. You're basically bringing it out, but you're only applying in the areas that you did not fill in. What I like to do to pretty much get my ombre effect is take a little brush, a little flat lip brush, and basically just blend it in. as you're blending, you're kind of pouting your lips together, or pressing your lips together. Like so. Then you can perfect it how you want to. I'm just gonna add just a little bit more right here. Press that in. Then kind of outline. There's your ombre lip. I love a glossy lip, so I'm pretty much just gonna add some lip gloss on top of my lip. I'll do that right now. And I'm not gonna rub it. I'm basically just patting it on so it doesn't mess up my ombre. So pat and press, basically. So if I rub it, everything's gonna blend in together, and I don't want that. Sorry guys, I like my lips to be poppin'. Going cray cray, and because I'm patting it on, I'm making sure that I get enough on there. I think I've about it. So that completes the ombre lip. Told you, simple, just 1-2 step. As long as you know the techniques, you got it. And it wasn't even that hard or even that long. You just basically got to know the shape of your lip, how you want your ombre to be, and you're all gravy. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. If you want to already subscribe to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. Also, go ahead and hit that notification bell so you will be notified when I drop a new video. Love you guys. Have a blessed and safe day, and until another video. Bye.